It is to tell the journey, and part of that is how that technology would help them, whether it's to do their work more effectively. A lot of our colleagues join the organization because they want for that social purpose, and showing that this will provide those customers and the residents with the better outcome, as well as making sure that we kind of understand their problems and the situation better, especially with new technology like AI, bringing that objectivity and understanding the summary of what their issues are really helps. And we have to look at each of those use cases, and there's a big piece around education as well. Even if you look at data and data literacy and so on, it is not just a technology piece around how do you get the right information in front of the right people, but also that piece around how we help and coach our colleagues, whether it's the leadership team or whether it's frontline team, to use that data effectively to provide the efficient service. Well, all of the solutions that we provide are interrelated. So one of the new solutions that we have provided is an AI service that would look at complaints from a resident point of view. So a resident normally stays with us for over 10 years, maybe 20 years. That's a lot of information. And so AI is very good at taking on really large amounts of data and then providing back a very objective, summarized version of what the problem is, what we could do for that customer, what policies we can use for it, what is the remediation, and even the way that we can communicate with that resident, the right tone, but legally sound and from a compliance perspective, good, helps reduce the amount of time it takes us to get to a good conclusion, but also from a resident's point of view, a good outcome. So that is one, but also that is to kind of react to something that has already happened, but also looking at stopping things from happening, bad things from happening in the first place. So on that, in that case, what we have also done is to look at some predictive AI analytics, looking at homes that could potentially be problematic in the future, which can lead to disrepairs, which can lead to complaints, and solving those problems before they become complaints, repairs, and so on. That is actually economically good for us, but also from a resident point of view, we are solving problems before they are more severe.